Discover a home that not only anticipates your needs, but actively works to prevent problems before they happen. Immerse yourself in an environment, constantly adjusting to ensure your utmost comfort. Welcome to the forefront of living with RIoT technology. It can be frustrating navigating the complex web of required smart home integrations. RIoT technology delivers a seamless, all-in-one solution that effortlessly manages your water, power, indoor comfort, and air quality while mitigating costly damages. Simply step into a RIoT-equipped home and experience the ease of living without programming or hassle. For many of us, the primary question about our energy bill is why is it so high? Utility companies often suggest lowering thermostats and investing in energy-saving appliances. RIoT provides a fluid solution, integrating real-time energy usage data and demand response to optimize comfort and minimize bills. Indoor air quality is an unseen threat lurking in our homes. RIoT vigilantly scans for pollutants, allergens, and invisible dangers, providing tailored recommendations for a safer, healthier living space. Your HVAC system is the most costly appliance in your house. An improperly maintained system results in frequent breakdowns and unnecessary energy expenditure. RIoT positions you to preempt these issues, notifying you precisely when your filter requires replacement based on actual usage. RIoT's advanced sensors keep a vigilant watch over your home's water system, catching even the tiniest of leaks before they escalate into expensive disasters. With cutting-edge leak prevention, RIoT offers peace of mind by detecting issues in real time and automatically shutting off the water supply. And when freezing temperatures loom, RIoT proactively turns off the exterior water supply, protecting your home from potential harm. RIoT technology is at the forefront of innovation, evolving alongside the future. As cutting-edge additions like bidirectional EV chargers, home battery systems, smart metering, and digital transformers become available, these advancements will seamlessly integrate into your life. With RIoT, you're not just keeping pace with technology, you're staying ahead, ensuring your home is always equipped with the latest in smart living. Your home now takes care of everything for you, removing the burden from your shoulders. RIoT technology crafts a future of home ownership where comfort and control are effortless. Powered by real-time insights into your home's performance, RIoT ensures a living experience that's not just smarter, but intuitively tailored to you. This is the promise of a seamless, worry-free lifestyle, where your home does the heavy lifting and you simply enjoy the benefits. Welcome to Intelligent Home Performance, powered by RIoT technology.